Good morning, friends. I came back with one more interesting topic: how you can convert your website visitor into customer using live chat. Basically, all business are having their own websites. Hope you are having your website also. If you are not having websites, you can contact us for the development of the website. So now let's go into the depth that how we can convert visitor into the customer. Basically, your websites might be having a number of visitors coming daily to inquire about the products, to get more details about the products and services provided by you. Now it's time to convert your visitor into the customer. That means sales. So how you can increase the sales using your current website? So now let us explore. Basically, whenever the visitors are coming to your website, that means it's the right time to act. It is a time to act regarding the particular decisions. You need to help your particular visitors about the particular products or services. Hope your website is very easy in a navigation mode. It is providing all these service and product related information clearly, but still it is a possibility that whenever the customer is landing to some page, it is a wrong page for their particular needs. Might be he is looking for a product one and it is landed to the product three page, so he might be bit confused. So whenever the website particular visitor is coming to your website, now it is your turn to redirect that visitor to the appropriate page as per requirements of the customers. You can track out the behavior of the customer also, that you visitor has already visited your website previously, visitor is a first time visitors, or visitor is using Android device, or visitor is using iOS device. You can get all such informations so that you can land that user to the appropriate page. Product related details you can provide to that particular visitors, or you can provide your contact detail also. So whenever the website visitor is coming to your website, now it's your turn to take decisions to help the particular visitors, so that visitors can land to the particular page. So it's your turn to provide the right and correct informations about the product which you are providing. For example, visitor is looking for a website development related service and is landed to the mobile application development service, then you can redirect that user from mobile application page to website development page, so that he can get all the informations. And sometimes the visitors are having some questions in the mind, that how we can develop the websites, what will be the cost of the website, is it feasible for my business, and so many questions are there in their mind. So it is your duty to help your visitor about their questions, so that they can convince and they can come up to your particular customers. So now it's time to chat with your visitors. How you can chat with your website visitor? It is very easy. Chat integrations, we can do it for your website also. For integrating chat into your current websites, do contact us. We can provide you the complete service regarding the chat integration, chatbot service, and much more service related to with website development. But now you would like to also mention few free services, so that you can utilize. If you are the technical persons, you can integrate the chat on your own also. You can use Twac.to websites or any other chat bot websites into your websites, so that you can chat with your customer live. How this Twac.to can help you? You can chat from your mobile device, you can chat from your PC, or you can use the Twac.to website to chat with your visitor. They will provide you the all the details of the visitor, like which country, which city the visitor came from, how many time particular user has visited your website previously, is there any visit, which browser they are using, which operating system they are using, what is the screen resolution is there, from which page he is coming, either he is coming from the Google, either he is coming from the Yahoo. All these details you can get it using this particular chat, so that you can able to know that how to chat with that particular visitors. So hope you like these sessions. Do contact us for website development, mobile application development, chat integrations, and to grow your business, you can consult us. We can provide you the 100% free of cost IT consultancy service. Thank you very much.